up your heart, what do you feel? Is it real? Yeah. The Big Bang may be a million years away. Oh, but I can't think of a better time to say, well, hold on. Instead of messing with our future, open up inside. Well, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Children of the sky. Look inside, you'll find a deeper love. The kind that only comes from high above. If you ever meet your inner child, don't cry, no, no. Tell them everything is gonna be alright. Well, hold on, come on. Everybody in the universe, well, hold on. One day you will have to answer to the children of the sky. Children of the sky. Alright. Love, don't take no for an answer, no, no. Alright, right here, spread love. Everybody join together now. One voice, one heart, love and unity. Everybody say, well, hold on. I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space. And when you're out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch. But it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Probably. And I hope that you are having the time of your life. But think twice. That's my only advice. Come on now, who do you think you are? Bless your soul. You really think you're in control? Well, I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy. I think you're crazy, just like me. My heroes had the heart to lose their lives. I wanna live, and all I remember is thinking I wanna be like them. Ever since I was little,